Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and go back to this video. So since we are in the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit in order to find the auto system update. As you can see, in my case this option was active, but if in your case it looks like it, then nothing easier, just tap on the switcher here. And from now on, since this option is activated, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.